Overrides can help you adjust the pricing or capacity of one or multiple occurrences of your recurring event. Start by creating your recurring event from the Events tab in your dashboard and add your ticket types. Then, navigate to the Occurrences page from the left-hand menu and switch to the Overrides tab. Click Add Override. Give your override a name and enter the relevant adjustments for your ticket types. In this example, I want weekend prices to be slightly more expensive than weekdays, so I'll increase the price of both adult and child tickets. Click Save. Navigate back to the Occurrences tab and use filters to select the relevant occurrences to apply this override to. In this case, I'll use the filters to select all occurrences on a weekend. Under the Actions menu, click Set Override and select the relevant override from the drop-down menu. Then click Save. Another way you might use overrides is to adjust the capacity for just one occurrence. For example, if you got a school group booking over the phone and need to take a large amount of tickets off sale. I'll repeat the same process for creating an override, but this time I'll just adjust the quantity of the ticket types. Once that's saved, select the relevant occurrence to apply it to. Finally, there may be instances where you want to adjust both the ticket price and capacity. For example, on a holiday weekend where you know you'll have more staff. In this case, I'll create an override for Memorial Day weekend with increased capacity and ticket prices for the holiday. Once that's saved, use filters to narrow down the list of occurrences to ones that are taking place that weekend. Some of my occurrences already have the weekend pricing override applied, but I can replace that with this new override. Each occurrence can have one override applied to it, and you don't need to use more than one for your adjustments.